In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up clean charts on TradingView. A clean chart helps you focus on price action without distractions, which is great for analysis, screenshots, or sharing ideas. We'll walk through a quick setup that strips away clutter while keeping everything easy to bring back later if you need it. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, whatever you follow. Once the chart loads, look along the top toolbar for the small eye icon. This is your visibility control, and it lets you quickly show or hide elements on the chart. Click the eye icon and choose Hide Indicators. This instantly removes all indicators from view, like moving averages, RSI panels, or custom scripts. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything. It simply hides them, so you can re-enable them later without having to rebuild your setup. Next, click the eye icon one more time and select Hide Drawings. Drawings include things like trend lines, support and resistance boxes, fibs, and text notes. Hiding them clears out annotations, so the price candles are the only thing you see. Again, these aren't removed permanently, they're just hidden for a cleaner perspective. Now let's refine the chart's look. Go to the top right corner and click the Chart Settings gear icon. This opens a panel where you can control the visual style of your chart. In this panel, open the Canvas tab. The Canvas tab deals with the background and grid elements that sit behind your candles. Turn off grid lines. Grid lines can be helpful for some people, but they often add visual noise. Turning them off gives your chart a smooth, minimal backdrop, which makes price movement stand out more clearly. While you're still in the Canvas tab, adjust the background color if you'd like. Choose something that's easy on your eyes and provides enough contrast with your candles and wicks. Many traders prefer a slightly off-white for bright themes or a soft gray for dark themes. The goal is to reduce strain and make the chart readable at a glance. Small tweaks go a long way here. You want the background to support your analysis, not compete with it. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK to apply the changes. You now have a clean, distraction-free chart that keeps your attention on price action. If you ever want your indicators or drawings back, just click the eye icon and toggle them on again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.